Ingredients: 240 grams millet flour, 4 tablespoons whole psyllium husk, 130 grams tapioca starch or potato starch. Do not use potato flour instead. 1½ teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 75 grams plain yogurt, ideally plain coconut yogurt, 2 tablespoons olive oil or sunflower oil, 360 milliliters warm water, 45 grams butter, parsley finely chopped, optional, 2 small cloves garlic, minced or pressed, optional. Begin by mixing warm water with psyllium husk to create a gel-like consistency. In a separate bowl or mixer bowl, blend millet flour, tapioca starch, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Combine the psyllium gel with yogurt and olive oil, then add this mixture to the dry ingredients. Stir with a wooden spoon until the dough forms, then knead it thoroughly by hand until it's smooth and stretchy, ensuring there are no dry patches. Transfer the dough onto a floured surface, shaping it into a ball. Divide it into 8 equal parts, aiming for around 110 grams per portion. Shape each piece into a ball, making sure to cover them with a dish towel to prevent drying out. Place a dough ball on a floured surface and sprinkle more flour on top. Use a rolling pin to flatten it into a round or oval shape, rotating it to prevent sticking. Aim for a final size of 7 to 8 inches, 18 to 20 centimeters in diameter and a thickness of 4 to 6 millimeters. Heat a large pan or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add a naan and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until bubbles form on the top and the underside is golden. Flip and cook for another minute until golden on both sides. If your naan breads are cooking or browning too quickly before they can puff up and form bubbles, reduce the heat. If they're not puffing up and are taking too long to brown, increase the heat. Immediately after cooking, brush the naan with melted butter, mixed with chopped parsley and garlic. Alternatively, wrap them in a clean dish towel to keep them warm and soft. Enjoy the naan warm or store them in an airtight container for 2 to 3 days. To reheat, use one of the following methods. Microwave for 30 to 45 seconds. Reheat on the stovetop in a hot pan with a lid for about 45 seconds to a minute on each side. Reheat in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 3 to 5 minutes, sprinkling or spraying with water beforehand to prevent drying out.